Welcome to your week 4 update. Now this is a big week, week 4. This week we're going to have our first exam. But before we talk about our exam, let's talk about the week 3 video question. The week 3 video question was explain the difference between a decrease in the coin demanded for televisions and a decrease in the demand for televisions. What I'm going to do is first give you the answer in words. I'll read it to you, and then I'll show it to you graphically. Alright, a decrease in the coin demanded for televisions is caused by an increase in the price of televisions. This would result in a movement along the current demand curve for televisions, whereas a decrease in the price, let me repeat that, whereas a decrease in demand for televisions is caused by a change in one of the shift factors of demand. For instance, a decrease in the price of a substitute, or an increase in the price of a complement. Or if let's assume that TVs are a normal good, and if TVs are a normal good, a decrease in per capita income will decrease the demand for TVs. Also, a decrease in consumers' taste and preferences for televisions, a decrease in the population size, and or a decrease in the expected future price level of televisions. All these factors will decrease demand. Now, what would this mean? This would mean that the demand curve for televisions would shift inward to the left. Well, this was all a mouthful, so let's show this graphically. First of all, let's talk about a decrease in coin demanded. Let's assume we have this demand curve here of D1, and we're currently at P1 and Q1. And let's say the ohm price changes. What do we mean by that? The price of televisions. Let's say the price of televisions increase. If price of televisions increase to P2, what does that mean? Well, with the higher price level, we will have a decrease in the quantity demanded for televisions. Because we have a change in ohm price, we just have a movement along the curve, a change in coin demanded. As price goes up, coin demanded goes down. Now, talk about a change in demand. Now, once again, let's say we have a demand curve like this, D1, all right? And let's say that we're assuming that demand is a normal good. And if demand is a normal good, as income goes up, the demand for it will go up. And as income goes down, the demand for it will go down. So if we have a change in per capita income, what do we mean by per capita income? We mean by income in the entire society. Okay? So if per capita income decreases, then what will happen is the demand curve for televisions will shift inward to the left. Okay? So as per capita income decreases, demand curve decreases, it shifts inward to the left, and therefore, at every price level, what's going to happen to the coin demanded? Well, it's going to go down, right? On the original demand curve Q1 at original demand curve at P1, we have a coin demanded of Q1, right here. But when demand curve shifts inward to the left because of the decrease in income, now at the same price level, what is our coin demand in the new demand curve? It is Q2. It is less. That is by definition a decrease in demand. At every price level, the coin demanded will be less. Now I hope you understand the difference between a change in demand and a change in coin demanded. Now let's talk about exam 1. Exam 1 is this week, and exam 1 will be open for the taking between 12:01 a.m. Friday, February 8th through 11 o'clock p.m. Sunday, February 10th. Exam 1 is a closed book and closed notes exams, okay? So you can't use anything for the exams. However, you can use a calculator. The exam consists of 33 questions and is worth 100 points. You will have only one attempt and 55 minutes to complete the exam. All right? So this is a big week. Make sure to complete exam 1 within the exam window. If you have any questions about the exam, when to take it and where you're supposed to take it and everything, make sure to send me an email. All right? Good luck on the exam. Thank you, and have a good day.